Suppose I'd like to add a new column. Let's say I want to say tax area, and it would be New Jersey or New York. The whole column, all filled with the same data. Let me show you how that's done. Here we have insert column, and that again could be gotten from the filters. Add. Here you have the column of text. We're going to be working with the adding a header, adding a footer. So I already added this to the menu. I'm going to enable it. And here what I did is I said, let's insert in column 1, hello. But look at this. I made sure to make a comma afterwards, because being I'm working with a CSV file that's based on commas, I want to make sure that it makes a brand new column afterwards. When I do that, there's my new column, and this of course could be filled with New Jersey or whatever column you're looking to do, or yes, if it's going to be a status that's not in the original feed that you need on your new feed. Here, I also want to do is remove the first line, because if you noticed on that original one, my problem is the column is all going to be the same words, so I want the header to go and say tax or something like that over here. In that case, we're going to just remove the first line, and you can specify an amount of times. If you have 2 header lines, you can remove, you go from 1 to 2. And in this case, we're going to replace the file header. We're going to add a brand new header, and that's going to have, let's say, tax, comma, over here. So when we do that, here's the column. We remove the first line. Hello is going to really New York, New Jersey, whatever place you wanted. And that's the way that basically works. Now, the truth is you could really add that to that column wherever you want. If you want it to wind up in the middle, we'll talk about that later in restricting filters. And that's another screencast. But just to show you quickly, if you want it to be, let's say, for the end of the line, if I would make 0, let's switch that comma to the beginning, because it's going to be the end. And let's remove that, and really that should be at the end. But if we go live right now, we'll see that here the beginning is the same. The end has this new column here and here. Now, one second, I'm taking a look, and I see line 1 was missing, something I forgot to do. Over here, when I added the header, I forgot to do a return. So now, we'll fix that up. And by doing the return, instead of that being at the end of the line 1, it got on its own thing.